What the hell is that? Lots of turtle running around in there. Huh. I'm going back in there. Honestly, I have no idea where I am. All I know is there's a few tourists here, so I came to take a look. Alright, well that's unexpected. What the hell is that? That looks really old.
¿Cuánto? ¿Lo pagamos o qué es eso?
Una ruina de acá.
Todo lo que me da. Me da lo mismo.
Caballero. Sí.
Parece, ¿no?
around จังหวัดเชียงใหม่
Yes, that's
เพราะ
cool.
เชียงใหม่มีให้ไหว้เยอะมากสำหรับคนที่อยากอันนั้นเราชม
This is what it's supposed to look like. Not quite. A bit of it fell down.
รอดีๆตรงป้ายครับป้ายนู่นเหรอ
Huh. The boathouse. I've only ever heard of it. Boathouse. I like the moat house. There's the moat. Oh, it's raining a little bit. Keep going? Okay. Apparently you can walk on the rocks of the waterfall and not be slippery. I guess that's the main draw. But I'm gonna try this. Sorry. Slip on. Oh, that's pretty nice. Although you can't go up there. We're walking up a water slide. That's just weird smooth rock. Oh, there's a hole there. It's so weird. So let me go back down now. Watch I get hurt going down. Like an idiot. I go climb back down. I don't think I'm supposed to do that. Everybody else is going there. I'm going this way. There's no rope. I see a rope. I could go up anyway. Yeah, there's a rope up there. Alright, don't need a rope. Can't believe how non-slippery this rock is. Alright, give me the rope. There is rope. All right, I'm up. Almost. Sick. Well, that was pretty neat.
You can feel the temperature. Yeah. It's cooler. Yeah, it's more moisture because rain.
Oh, damn.
Water is dripping more. Right, this is the first highlight of this cave. This is over 400 years old monastery. It's built by Burmese architect when the Burmese ruled Chiang Mai in the past. Like 100-meter latitude. So we deep under the mountain.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, this first under, keep it flexible. And after you will see the big chamber with spider.
There were some fruit bats I saw in the Philippines that were
Giant, right?
yeah, they're huge.
Huge, yeah, it is. Great. So those, we have some of the fruit bat. It's not live in the cave. They live in the forest.
Oh, those are the bigger ones?
Yeah, the bigger one. Yeah, we call chicken bat. So they like to live along the river. They're giant. They're like the wing like this long.
Yeah, that's what I saw.
Yeah, along the river.
That's
Okay,
crazy.
come over here. Come back here. Show you something. This is the highlight. Yeah, take this. Take it down. Right here. Right. Yeah, right here.
Holy crap!
Where you
I
going?
love that. Is that a scorpion spider?
No, this is a handsome spider. Handsome spider. Yeah.
They venomous?
Beautiful. No, this spider not the venomous, and this spider is eating the cricket. Eating cricket, smelly eating cricket. Okay.
Love it.
This baby, this is a
Oh, there's another one. Jesus.
See that?
That's crazy. Love it.
Yeah, that's spider. Okay. Alright, this is a cricket right here. That's why you see some handsome spider because
Those are big crickets.
Spider eat the cricket. Yeah.
The whole thing.
Those are
They eat the whole
huge
thing,
crickets.
So the handsome man, they got the teeth slightly longer to avoid themselves from the spider. Yeah, you can see the long channel here. See that? Very strong.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it's just try to what is it? Yeah.
Antenna.
So cool. Yeah, long tunnel. Yeah, you can see many cricket right here. See many.
They're a little bit creepy.
See that? No, use the long channel just to show you how. See, they turn around. Yeah. That's how they protect themselves from the spider. So before they're moving, they use a channel.
More bats. Lots of bats.
This is a nice spot for take a picture with the spider. With that. See that? Very cute. Very cute. Let's get over here. I show you how big of this chamber. Right here. You ready? Look.
Oh wow.
Yeah. So way up there, this is called banana bat.
Oh,
This is
okay.
another different type compared to this. Banana bat, and this is a fruit bat, and the little one around there is a bumblebee bat.
Oh wow.
See, quick. This is all giant cricket. Giant cricket. Oh, giant cricket.
That's a lot of crickets.
Yes. And you can see this is very great spot for photo. See many.
Oh yeah.
The bumblebee bat. That's so cool. exercise.
Those are big crickets.
Ja, ich sag's dir. Oh mein Gott, das ist ja am Boden, oder?
Was?
Das finde ich jetzt nicht schlimm, aber das stelle ich mir halt nicht nach Urlaub vor.
Das ist so Survival Camp.
Das ist so ein Survival Camp.
Seven versus Wild.
Ja, aber schau, die Dinger kommen schon runter so langsam, gell? Langsam, alle 100 Jahre Millimeter.
Shortcut 2 meters. Okay. 1 meter.
We are crawling to the next tunnel.
Okay. Crawling is fun. All right.
And you want a photo?
All right. What's that?
Nicht alle solche Secrets hier. Meine Lampe ist dunkler als sonst.
Oh, that's my head.
So during monsoon, the water fully drip from this stalactite. This is how this stalagmite start growing.
Okay.
Right here, see that? Pop, pop. Yeah.
Stalactite, stalagmite go up.
บ้านเรามีหน่วยประชาชนนะเนี่ยจะพาไปมองหน่วยประชาชน
Big hand.
Das ist wirklich Princess Karma.
That's a pretty big spider.
And then this is the parasite, gem, sir, right here. This is parasite. You see little worm?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
From the spider?
No, not from spider. It's the web is made by the worm to collect the moisture.
Oh,
And then collects the fly. When little fly around and she stick in there, and then the more take it, and then the worm is just suck it, eating, yeah, slowly before the moths take over. Yeah. Put your hand closer.
Wo sie drauf, Papa?
Mach sie einfach drauf.
That's too far. Closer.
Closer.
pick it up.
Das ist sonst nicht real, du musst sie daneben tun, Papa.
She moved back. She was just up to jump. Yeah, it's gonna jump.
Kann ich springen?
Doch, du sie nicht liegen.
Look at the right side, the papaya.
Look at this. It's a big pattern here. The one I like right here. Yeah, see that?
Oh, little baby.
Yeah, the little baby and adults. I just use the wing as cover, protect. Right there.วันนี้มาทำครบ1 อาทิตย์แล้ว
Kommt nicht lang. You could
Oh, yeah. Those are fun. Oh, wow. Cool.
แต่วันนี้ผมมาครบ We have many sticky water for that.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is a water line when it's flooding.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, water all the way up there.
It's every year, you say?
Every year, monsoon, beginning of November. This is where it look like a mineral and an emerald.
Oh, okay, yeah.
What's the first of
Okay.
You can area over there.
Over there? Okay.
There you go. Okay, let's go. Okay, pin out, load it. Okay.
What the hell is that?
And stay on the line. We got the first shaft coming out.
Okay. Well, that's relaxing.
Sorry?
That's relaxing.
Gentle, gentle. 260. 260, 260.
Oh yeah, lots of current. I hear something. Here's some industrial work going on. Yeah. Okay, rope. Shit. Another rope. Okay, well, that's easy. And that's the interruption in the jungle. That's a coconut. Yeah, there's a coconut. Well, that's the first time I've cut a coconut while I'm kayaking. Coconuts!
Sometimes on the bank they're swimming across, yeah. I keep looking. Last time I saw right under that tree.
Oh, okay.
I try to catch the fish.
Right.
Kingfisher, you know?
Oh, yes.
Same like, yeah. So the snake, they love to eat fish and frog.
Oops.
Maybe we go under there, may see some. Sometimes they are hiding under the hole. See anything?
No.
Oh, careful, wasp nest.
Wasp nest?
Yeah, wasp nest.
Oh, that's no good.
No snake, no. You see the what's net, James?
No, where is it?
Right there.
Oh,
Oh, one fly out.
yeah, I saw it.
Water is nice. Water, good temperature.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Oh, kingfisher.
One of my best pictures is of a kingfisher.
Yeah. Right there, right there. Again.
Oh, yeah, I see it.
Yeah, I see right there. Oh, it's flying.
What is that?
Cougar.
A bird?
Yes, sir. The bird look like a chorus, but look similar, yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's different color. It's called a cougar.
Kugo.
Yeah, cougar.
Okay. Go through there? That way?
Yeah. We go right now.
Is there a wasp in there?
Yep.
Yeah? I don't know if I want to do that. All right. Got a little bit.
Like this, with the big.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, coconut.
Yeah, this one I'll go in. I got runway to get there. I love these vines. What do we do to that guy? Well, that makes it easy. All right. There's our ride. Pickup truck with benches. Fun, fun, fun. Thank you, boys.